And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated and laid the foundation stone for multiple development projects worth 35,700 crore rupees in Jharkhand from Sindri in Dhanbad district today. These projects are related to fertilizer, rail, power and coal sector. Modi dedicated to the nation the Hindustan Urvarak and Rasayan Limited HURL Sindri fertilizer plant in order to attain self-sufficiency in the urea sector. Speaking on the occasion, Prime Minister said India's urea production reached 310 lakh tons now from 225 lakh tons in 2014, a significant step towards self-dependence in fertilizer. He said Jharkhand got a gift of projects worth over 35,000 crore. Modi said, with the dedication of this plant to the nation, India will become self-dependent in urea.
सरकार के प्रयासों से बीते 10 वर्षों में यूरिया का उत्पादन बढ़कर 310 लाख मैट्रिक टन हो गया है। बीते 10 वर्षों में हमारी सरकार ने रामागुंडम, गोरखपुर, बरौनी इन फर्टिलाइजर प्लांट फिर से दोबारा शुरू करवाए। अब आज इसमें सिंदरी का नाम भी जुड़ गया है।